Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Sous Chef custom GPT that you can use to create recipes or take a photo of your fridge, and based on that this custom GPT can give you food ideas you can create or eat, or you can share some ingredients and it will come up with a full recipe and so on and so forth. So let's see how to use this Sous Chef custom GPT. So all you have to do is first you have to make sure that you have a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise subscription, because it's necessary to be able to use custom GPTs. If you have one, all you have to do is either click on your account name, then select My GPTs here, or you can also click on the Explore button here, and this will open up this My GPT section. Scroll down to the Made by OpenAI section and you will see the Sous Chef custom GPT here, and if you click on it, it will open up the page where you can start chatting with the Sous Chef custom GPT. So before showing you an actual example, I just want to let you know that I have a full article on my website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 on the Sous Chef custom GPT, where you can learn about how this custom GPT works and what kind of use cases you can use this for. So as you can see, recipe recommendation, personalized culinary conversations, grocery list generation, and so on and so forth. And I also share some great prompts you can start using the Sous Chef custom GPT with. If you want to get these prompts and other free resources, make sure to check out the article I linked below. Also, if you want to get access to a free database that contains thousands of custom GPTs, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can search this custom GPT database by category, description, and more. And there is also a database version with 10 use cases and example prompts for these custom GPTs. You can get access to this database for free by clicking the link in the description below. It will open up this page where you will be able to download it. But now let's see how to use the Sous Chef custom GPT. As I mentioned, I have some ready-made prompts you can use this Sous Chef custom GPT with. And this is the prompt I have come up with. Compose a gourmet French dinner plan for our anniversary celebration, featuring a luxurious starter, an elegant entree, and a show-stopping dessert, each paired with a recommended wine. So as you can see, this is a really detailed prompt. So let's see what the Sous Chef custom GPT will come up with. Click on send message here and you have to wait just a couple of seconds. And as you can see, the Sous Chef is providing a response right away. So a little bit of BS in the beginning, but let's see the starter. Oh, that's some nice French. I'm not gonna pronunciate it, but it's French. So description begin with this: a luxurious dish featuring perfectly seared scallops atop, a bit of creamy leek fondue, wine prenning, a crisp minerally chablis, entree, we get a dessert. So we get a full description of these foods and drinks and wines we want to have. So as you can see, it gives us the stuff we want. And then now let me whip up an image of one of these dishes to give you a visual teaser of your upcoming feast. So it can not only generate a full dinner plan, but it can also generate images related to the foods and drinks it has come up with. So let's see the image. Of course, you can also add foods or drinks you have at home, and based on that it can come up with a dinner plan. And now it has generated the image. So this is the 𝐞𝐁𝐨𝐤𝐬 or 𝐂𝐁𝐨𝐤𝐬 or something like that. So this is a really photorealistic image, so it looks really good. And then should you need a grocery list to prepare this meal, feel free to ask. So you can also ask for a grocery list and full recipes with instruction and so on and so forth. So this is a really useful custom GPT that you can use if you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.